YouTube has made a significant update to its monetization policies, which will benefit small creators by making it easier for them to earn money from their content. The changes include lower eligibility requirements for the YouTube Partner Program YPP and the introduction of new monetization methods for creators with smaller followings. To join the YPP, creators now only need to have 500 subscribers, compared to the previous requirement of 1,000. The threshold for valid watch hours has also been reduced from 4,000 to 3,000, and the number of shorts views required has been adjusted from 10 million to 3 million. Initially, these changes will apply in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Taiwan, and South Korea. It's important to note that while smaller creators can now monetize their channels, they still need to meet the existing criteria for revenue sharing through the YPP. However, creators who meet the higher requirements will not need to reapply to the program. YouTube has been actively promoting its ad revenue sharing program for shorts, encouraging creators to produce short-form content. YouTube's decision to expand monetization opportunities follows a trend seen on platforms like TikTok. TikTok recently introduced its series feature, a video paywall initially available to creators with over 10,000 followers. However, eligibility was extended to users with 1,000 followers who meet additional requirements. This feature allows creators to offer premium content that fans can access by paying a fee. The introduction of monetization features like tipping, paywalls, and shopping affiliations provide small creators with additional ways to generate income from their content. These features are common on various creator platforms and rely on an engaged audience willing to financially support their favorite creators. YouTube's shopping affiliate program, previously available only to select creators by invitation, is now accessible to YPP participants in the US with at least 20,000 subscribers. This further expands monetization opportunities for eligible creators. By lowering the requirements for monetization and introducing new features, YouTube aims to empower smaller creators and help them turn their passion into a sustainable source of income. These changes align with the broader industry trend of increasing support for content creators on different social media platforms. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Sharing this content with your friends and family would mean the world to us. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Your support and engagement truly make a difference. Stay tuned for more awesome content. See you next time.